Today, we are going to create a professional landing page for our future product. The first step is to ensure that ChatGPT has access to the business plan you've created. We will upload that. We will use a simple prompt. Create copy for a product landing page based on this business plan. The AI app will review your plan and create the copy for your landing page. Now, let's head over to Gamma. You can create your own account for free if you haven't done so. To create a new page, we'll click on the Create New with AI button. It provides options on how you want to generate your project. We will choose Paste in Text, hit Continue, and paste in the text that ChatGPT created for us. From there, you can choose what type of content you want to create, and we are going to select a web page. Hit Continue, and there is our text. From here, we can either edit it further or hit Continue and see what Gamma comes up with. First, we need to pick a design theme. Let's try this one, and then we'll hit Generate. Gamma will then get to work and produce a landing page for our product. It will input all the text that ChatGPT created for us, even generating some images as we go along. You can swap out these images with others you've created and edit all the text. The page ends with a compelling call to action, which is crucial for any product landing page.